Okay, how to answer the exam question, describe and explain the impact of the use of fossil fuels on the environment, 15 marks. This is energy, lesson 10. Right, you've got, from class, you've got 4 impacts. Acid rain, the areas affected by the exploitation, you've got global warming and oil spills. Global warming isn't actually on your AS scheme of your AS specification, so you don't actually need to talk about it. If you choose to, you can, but you've got to make sure you're going to get it right. So the 3 of them, you can get your marks from just the 3 that we've done in class. For acid rain, you need to say what it is, define it, say how it's created, and then, most importantly, you need to say what are the impacts of acid rain. So you're thinking about the impacts on forested areas, on soils, on rivers and lakes. You need to be specific, you need to give factual data, named locations, and you need to be talking about the fact that often the people causing the pollution are not the nations that are suffering from the results of the pollution, and how that's possible. So go into the fact that it's because of prevailing winds and you can't control those, so it becomes an international issue rather than just a national issue. Areas of exploitation, you're thinking mainly here about extracting the environmental impacts of extracting fossil fuels. So if you're thinking about open cast coal mining, eyesores, unless they're restored, you're going to get, it's going to not look very nice, and danger of pollution with regards to oil rigs, and you can mention places like Alaska, because very often oil is found in fragile environments. As I say, you can talk about global warming, but we don't teach you about global warming, so whether you talk about it or not is really dependent on how much of your own work you want to put into it. And finally, you've got reference to the fact that fossil fuels need to be transported. One of them is oil, and unfortunately the frequency of oil spills is far too high, and use your case study to talk about the environmental impacts of an oil spill that you have studied. So you've definitely got 3 areas to talk about. Remember that the question is describe and explain. So it's not just saying, it's saying why things happen. So you've got to make sure that your paragraphs are giving some explanation as to why things occur. So why does acid rain cause problems in countries that are not the polluters? Why do the trees suffer? Why? Right, I've done this on my mobile phone for the first time, so God knows what it'll look like. Good luck.